Good morning, everyone. Well, today we are going to have an important lesson, which is about facts and opinions. So, facts and opinions. We've got three sentences here. Have a look at the first sentence. They claim that it is easy to stop the coronavirus. Sentence number two. Algeria imported millions of masks from China. And the three, Mr. Abdelmajid Tebboune is the president of Algeria. In sentence A, this is what some people say. This is what some people think. This is what some people consider. And this is what some people believe. So we can say that this is their personal belief. This is what they think, their personal opinions. Because some other people can have a different view. So in sentence A, since it is a personal belief, so we call it an opinion statement. And we use the verb claim here. Most of the time, the verb I use are verb like think, guess, suppose, claim, believe, and so on. But in sentence number two, Algeria imported millions of masks from China, and Mr. Abdelmajid Tebboune is the president of Algeria. So these two things here, they are true. They happened and they are true. So Algeria imported masks from China. It happened and it is true, and we can check it. We can verify that it happened. For instance, let's say we are going to phone to the Ministry of Health or go there and ask for some numbers. So they are going to give us some proof, some evidence. C, Mr. Abdelmajid Tebboune is the president of Algeria. So we elected him president and he is in function and he is doing his job every day and he is still alive and we thank him for all the efforts he's doing. So in sentence B and C, so we are talking about fact statement here. So we are talking about fact since we are talking about something which is true. Now, are facts and opinions important for learners? Yes, especially third year level, of course, because the students here, they should make the difference. They should be able, to make the difference between opinion and fact, because it helps them develop their critical thinking when they analyze the text or they criticize the author. Therefore, the E is missing here. Therefore, they can give an accurate and objective judgment about the content. And the second most important thing is that learners should know that texts are never innocent. And when I say text, that means the author, the writers. Why? Because these persons are human beings and they have ideologies, political orientation, and so on. And they want to convey a message, or they want to convince you of something which is maybe different from what you think or you believe in. So you should be very careful. Concerning the task, I selected here a short passage, so you are going to read it carefully and then you identify the fact and opinion statement. So the coronavirus is a dangerous sickness. It killed thousands of people all over the world. The outbreak, the emergence or the beginning, was identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019. I think that the Chinese authorities dealt successfully with the problem despite the huge number of victims. The word in red here. Concerning Algeria, I believe that we are doing well too, though we don't have enough or adequate means. I would like to draw your attention to the words in red here, despite and though. And if you remember, this is what we saw in the grammar lesson concerning the concession. So that's why it's very important to revise your grammar points.